Hi everyone, this is a channel to learn and treat with herbal medicine. Please register for channels to regularly update the latest news. With the following 6 alcoholic drinks, you can completely help restore and strengthen your bed. It helps kidney tonic effectively and is used by many people. See 6 items of this wine. Deer Antler wine. Plus preparation. Deer Velvet 30 grams, 1000 milliliters white wine. Plus how to soak the wine. Deer antlers are soaked with alcohol in a closed container. After about 7 to 10 days it can be used. Drink twice daily, 10 to 20 ml each time. Plus use, positive negative. Very effective for people with impotence, difficulty conceiving because of the quality and quantity of sperm decline, decreased libido and sexual pleasure. Hero wine. Plus preparation, paint vermin, impregnated, rain, death, tyrant rabbit, ginseng, every 15 grams. 30 grams, 1 pair gecko, 2000 milliliters white wine. Plus how to soak the wine. The medicine slices, soaked with alcohol in a closed bottle, after 3 weeks can be used. Drink 3 times a day, 1 cup at a time. Plus uses, treating 9, bad, of the eyebrow, weakening of the yanksy, weaken uneasy, excited but not enough, n. Not real and not hard but not following, obey that not for long, without crystal and crystal without children. The wine is so indignant and humiliating. Plus preparation, dazzling or 100 grams, 50 grams. 1000 milliliters white wine. Plus how to soak the wine. The 2 herbs are diced and soaked with alcohol. After about 7 to 10 days it can be used. Need to drink twice a day, 15 to 20 ml each time. Plus uses, add kidney positive, strong tendon reinforcement, low eradication zone. Especially effective for people with impaired sexual ability, diastolic, impotence, child infertility, back pain, arthritis. Tien Mao wine. Plus preparation, 100 grams fairy, 2000 milliliters white wine. Plus how to soak the wine. Tien Mao, cut it, put it in a cloth bag and then soak alcohol, and after 10 days it can be used. Drink twice a day, 10 to 20 ml each time. If possible, it is best to pre-process the cymbidium 9 times and dry. Plus uses, add tonic, kidney, reinforced tendons, except low welding. Often used for people with impotence, cold sperm, nocturnal, back pain, knee fatigue, impaired SE. XUAL ability. Alcohol of longevity. Plus preparation, tyrant rabbit, humiliation, solemnity, painting enemies, death, white spirit, female virgin, radiant, every 15 grams, ox, all 5 elements, ginseng, far from the precursor, the vasculature, the bodhisattva, the bhikkhu, and ready to die. Every 5 grams, longan 30 grams, great apple 120 grams, licorice 3 grams, cinnamon humiliation 2 grams, 2000 milliliters white wine. Plus how to soak the wine. The medicine is crushed, the alcohol is sprayed to get wet, then bring it to the water for 30 minutes, then dry the sun and put it all in a jar with alcohol. Soaking for 2 to 3 months is usable. Drink twice a day, 10 to 20 ml each time. Plus uses, effective universal, positive support is essential. After drinking after 3 hours will see specific effects, drinking 1 week will see the magic. The best Thien cow wine is smeared. Plus preparation, ginseng 24 grams, field 15 grams, record 15 grams, lude, white, blue, white, clove, every 9 grams, agar 3 grams, 7 grams, 1000 milliliters white wine. Plus how to soak the wine. The medicine brings the debris, soaked with alcohol in a closed container. After about 7 to 10 days it is usable. Need a small cup every day, lips slowly little by little. Plus uses, renewal positive coated kidney, blood-borne biochemical, beneficial gas, blacken hair and prolong life. Particularly suitable for middle-aged seniors when kidneys have weakened blood gas, decreased ability to withdraw, reduced sexual ability.